Yes, ma'am. So our seniors, just so you freshmen know, are killing it. You guys are going to have some big shoes to fill in about 3 years. They are getting acceptances left and right. They're blowing it up with scholarships, and we are just so proud of them. We actually did not have a designated senior speaker for this time, so could I take a volunteer, please?
Sure.
Okay, thank you, Danny. All
So,
right.
my name is Danny, if y'all didn't know. I've been in NAVIT for 7 years. Oh, no, I mean 5 years. I'm sorry.
I was like, dang.
5 years. So, I'm a senior, since y'all know. I was supposed to be a junior, but I'm planning to graduate early. So, as y'all can see, I actually did it.
Woo!
Thank you. So, colleges that I've been accepted to is Wesley University and Stephen F. Austin. I'm still trying to send applications to every university or college in Texas right now, and some in California, which is film or California Long Beach.
Okay. And then tell us what you plan on studying.
I plan on studying fashion design or fashion merchandising, or going to vet school for that.
Okay, so it sounds like you have two pretty good career paths, and like different career paths, but good ones. All right, and then Danny, what is one piece of advice that you would give? We have freshmen on with us today. So what is one piece of advice that you would give to our freshman students?
One, try your best to get good grades for the next 2 years. It's really, really important.
Okay.
And since y'all are freshmen, y'all have more opportunities to choose other classes to take. I'll say just take classes you're interested in taking. Maybe it'll lead you to going to that career. Like for me, I chose fashion out of nowhere because I thought it was cool. So I took it, and now I really want to make a career out of it.
Wonderful. Okay, so your tips would be work hard, stay organized, and really get those good grades freshman, sophomore, and junior year, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And then find something you're interested in, because you never know what it could lead you to. That's wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing. Ms. Hall, do we have time for one more?
Sure, we got 5 minutes.
Does anybody else want to volunteer? You're just going to answer the same question Danny just did.
I see Sim.
Yep, okay. I saw that hand.
So, hi, my name is Sim Tumong, and I've been in AVID for 6 years. This is my 6th year in AVID. So some of the colleges I've been accepted into are UTA, Texas Wesleyan, and Texas Wesleyan actually offered me a really good scholarship, so it's pretty high on my list. And then Midwestern, SFA, and then I'm also still waiting for my acceptances into UNT, Baylor, and UT Austin. So hopefully they'll come in soon.
Fingers crossed.
What were the other questions? Sorry.
So how long have you been in AVID?
This is my 6th year.
Oh, 6th year. Okay.
Yeah.
And then what do you plan on studying in college?
I plan on going into the pre-med program, so probably major in either biology or health science. I haven't really decided.
Okay,
So
great.
I'm keeping my options open right now.
Yeah, and there is nothing wrong with that. And then last question, what piece or pieces of advice would you give our freshman participants today?
My first one would be, since you guys are freshmen, just try out anything you want. Take all the classes you want to take, because once you start junior and senior year, that's when things get really you really need to start focusing. And also, it's a good way to kind of explore your options and figure out what you want to do and what you like and what you don't. And then the second one would just be, don't be afraid to talk to your teachers and ask for help, because I personally, for me, I had a hard time with that at first because I'm very shy, and so But once you really start opening up to them, they are always ready to help you and get you to where you need to be. And so just maintain a good relationship with them.
Okay, wonderful. And thank you for sharing. We appreciate it.
That's awesome, you guys. Thank you so much. I love hearing the seniors speak because I know when you were freshmen, it's just hard to even imagine in 3 years that you would be able to say all of this. But that's just amazing. I love it. So while we end today, I want to just kind of end and launch you off to the rest of your day with just a piece of advice of choose happy today. Every single day that you get up, you get to choose your mood. And I know for a long part of my life, I was grumpy and mad, and I never understood why until I realized, wow, I'm choosing that. I'm choosing to be angry every day or frustrated. But I'm going to choose happy and I'm going to choose joy because you just do better. Like Mr. McGee said, when you feel better, you do better. When you're happy, you do better. Every single day we can grow and we can be better versions of ourselves. And I think he said when we know better, we do better actually. So good luck to everybody this spring semester. We'll see you soon. Thank you for logging on. I like seeing all these beautiful faces. I wish I could have seen everybody else, but I appreciate your time, your commitment and loyalty to your sync times, your teachers and Avid. So always reach out if you need anything. Let's give a round of applause again to all the speakers today. Woo! Good job. And have a great weekend. Goodbye, everybody.
Bye, guys.